Hey everybody, out here at Prettyboy Reservoir again today. Today is Sunday, September 4th, and it is still another windy day, so I made my way back into this particular cove. This is different from where I was yesterday, and I'm anxious to see if this little stream here to our right doesn't go anywhere, or if I'm just pretty much at the end of the line here and it's time to turn around and head back. So let's head over this way and see what we can see. Doesn't look like it's going to be too favorable. No, not at all. Yep, that looks like the end of the line. Alright, so for me it's going to be back to the boat launch. This is going to be where it gets challenging. That was just the warm-up wind. Everybody, we're out at Prettyboy Reservoir, and right over there is a Great Blue Heron. Nervous. How cool was that? I've never gotten that close to one before. Alright, we're still